Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with a grocery haul for you guys. Today this will be our Thanksgiving grocery haul, y'all. So yes, we had to go to the store today to pick up a few more items that we needed for Thanksgiving Day. This haul will consist of Publix and Walmart. I did not take the time to separate anything, y'all. I'm tired. I just wanted to come home, get everything unpacked so that we could put all this food up. Well, actually, some of it's just going to stay out on the table until Thanksgiving Day. But I'm going to start over here and show you guys what we got. Right over here, guys, Thanksgiving will not be Thanksgiving without the greens, y'all. You already know. We had to pick up a bag of collard greens, and unfortunately, they were out of the collard greens. So I actually picked up a bag of regular shredded collard greens, and I picked up a bag of mustard greens. So I'm going to mix these two together and they will come out absolutely fine. Being that they only have one more bag left, I'm sure they'll put more stock out later on this week, but I'm not going to even worry about it. I love mustard greens and haven't had them in a while, so I'm just going to combine the collards and the mustards. You'll pretty much cook them the same. Usually mustard greens take a little longer to cook, but they'll do just fine. Trust and believe. With that smoked meat, you already know. But right down here, y'all, I had to pick up the yams. So I am making candy yams on Thanksgiving Day. Well, actually, y'all, I'm going to share with you what we're having on Thanksgiving Day. I actually created my own Thanksgiving menu because I will forget the things that I plan on cooking. So I have to write it down so I make sure I get all the ingredients that I need when I do go to the store. So let me just divert for a minute. Hold on one second. I'm going to show you guys our menu. Okay, y'all, so here's our Thanksgiving menu. We will be having deviled eggs, homemade cranberry sauce, rice and gravy, dressing, as well as one box of stovetop because not everyone eats the homemade dressing. We're also having baked macaroni and cheese, collard greens, yams, rutabagas, which is actually turnips if you're not familiar with it, yeast rolls, sweet potato pie, cheesecake, strawberry punch bowl cake. I'm not making that. Sean will be making that this year. And we're also having, of course, turkey, ham with a brown sugar glaze that I make homemade every year, and also fried okra. Okay, back to the haul. So yes, the last thing I was showing you guys, I believe, was the yams. So I showed you the menu already. So this is pretty much all the ingredients we needed. Some things we already had here at home, but most things we picked up today. Okay, so all right, so this is the bag of candy yams. I showed you that. I actually kept two of my yams separate. Here go two more separate. These are actually going to be for my sweet potato pie, and these are for the candy yams. Okay, two large candy yams is plenty enough for two sweet potato pies. All right, and I'm going to make a little extra candy yams because everyone loves candy yams. We love having that left over, so the candy yams seem to go first, so I'm going to make a little extra this year so that we'll have a little more for leftovers. All right, so right here we have one bag of lemons, which is only 3, and I got a bag of navel oranges as well. So I'm going to try to record some of my main dishes this year for Thanksgiving. So the lemons and the oranges, this is going to be for my turkey brine that I do every year, which is different from a lot of other people, you know. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how I brine my turkey. That will be in another video. But yes, this is what that's for. The oranges and the lemons is for my turkey. This right here, I have the poultry blend. This is also for the turkey. This is definitely a staple ingredient. Every Thanksgiving, you have all of the herbs that you need all in one package. Then right here, I have 3 bell peppers. I also have a bag of yellow onions right here. I'm going to chop up my own bell pepper and onions because I'm going to need this for my dressing. And you know, sometimes you could go in the store and you could buy this frozen. I usually get the frozen kind a lot. But when it comes to Thanksgiving, when I'm making my dressing, I like to have my vegetables fresh. So I'm going to chop these up. Actually, Sean will probably chop them up for me. But I'm going to chop up the onions and peppers fresh along with this celery, which is going to be for my dressing. Then I have a large bottle here of minced garlic. We have the bag of yeast rolls in the back right there. Last year I made the yeast rolls fresh, but my daughter Shania actually is hosting Thanksgiving this year, but I always make Thanksgiving at home as well. So with the foods that I'm making half for our house and half for hers as well. So there are some things that I will be bringing over to her house on Thanksgiving Day as well, okay? But this year I didn't want to make my rolls fresh because I just don't want to be doing the most. I want to be able to like cook and get my things done, you know. I didn't want to be taking care of any really long recipes this year since we're going to be going out on Thanksgiving Day. We're usually home every Thanksgiving, but since we're going out to Shania's house, my daughter, I just wanted to keep it simple so that I'm not doing too much in the kitchen. So anyway, we have a bag of the okra. This okra is already cut and breaded, so that's really good. That's going to save a lot of time when it comes to cooking this okra. We're going to pretty much deep fry these, throw some Cajun seasoning on it, and then boom, you're good. Don't have to cut up the okra or anything like that. So less work, you know, less time in the kitchen. We have to pick up another box of, you know, we always get the Roger Wood smoked sausage. We have the 2 boxes of elbow macaroni back there. This is a bottle of the Goya Mojo seasoning. I use this for my brine for my turkey, y'all. So yeah, like I said, that'll be in another video. But yes, I got the Goya Mojo marinade. I have 2 boxes of chicken broth right there in the back. That's going to be for the dressing. Then I have 2 cans of carnation milk. We're going to need that for the sweet potato pies. Then right down here is 2 cans of pineapple slices. We need that for the ham. I have 1 container of the Maggi Pojo seasoning. I love this. This is really good. It's nothing but chicken bouillon. And it's just really good for your vegetables, and it's going to be really good in our dressing that I'm going to be making. Right over here, I have 2 cans of cream of celery, and I have 2 cans of cream of chicken. That's for the dressing as well. Then I picked up this Better Than Bouillon base. This is excellent when you're making gravies and things like that. This is like really, really good. And if you enjoy that extra rich flavor in your gravies, things like that, that's definitely a staple to have in your kitchen. So I picked up a bag of black grapes, a bag of red grapes. This is just for snacking during the day. I rather snack on fruits rather than snacking on sweets, trying to be as good as possible. Thanksgiving is coming up, so you know Thanksgiving is usually cheat day for those who's trying to eat clean, but I can't really say I'm trying to eat clean at all, but I'm just trying to do better. You got to start from somewhere. So yeah, I had to pick up some more grapes because I absolutely love grapes. Then I picked up 1 package of pie crust. This, of course, have 2. Then I have a package of neck bones here. These neck bones are going to be used for our greens and my rutabagas. You cannot make collard greens without a smoked meat. I mean, you can, but I just choose not to because I want my greens to taste good. And only smoked meat will give you that flavor that you need in your greens. Whether you have smoked neck bones or smoked turkey, some type of smoked meat is definitely a staple for your greens, whether it's collards, mustards, turnips, any type of greens that you're making, even cabbage. Next, we have Jimmy Dean sage sausage. This is going to be used for my homemade dressing. Over here, I have some packages of cheese. When I make my macaroni and cheese, I usually mix my cheese. I don't use just 1 or 2. I mix them up. So we have a whole milk mozzarella here. We have some Velveeta shreds down there. Velveeta cheese melts very nice in macaroni and cheese. I have a package of Colby Jack. There's another package of mozzarella, and I have 2 packages of the triple cheddar. Now, I may not need all this cheese, but I wanted to get more than enough just in case, because who wants a macaroni and cheese that does not have enough cheese in it? Who wants that? I know I don't. But anyway, back here, we have 2 large, like jumbo containers of Cool Whip and 1 small container of Cool Whip. This Cool Whip is going to be for Sean's strawberry punch bowl cake. And also, he had to pick up some pound cake. Now, usually he get the loaf pound cake and cut it up. But why do that when you could just get this box that had the individually wrapped pound cake pieces? All we have to do is just take this out of a package, and he's going to line this up in the punch bowl. Now, I'll probably record that as well and show you how he made that, but this was definitely a hit. Last Thanksgiving, they loved the punch bowl cake, so he will be doing that again this year. We actually got 6 boxes of this Entenmann's Delights pound cakes, mini pound cakes, that is. Then, to go along with the punch bowl cake recipe, he picked up a jar of strawberry preserves. That's definitely needed when he makes that. Then we also have 2 boxes of the banana cream pudding mix. That's for the punch bowl cake as well. Then over here, before he found the jar of strawberry preserves, he did pick this up from another store just in case. You know, during the holidays, things like this will disappear because a lot of people are baking and things like that. So when we were in Publix, he just grabbed this right quick just in case he couldn't find the jar. So we just kept both, you know, just in case he need a little extra, he'll have that as well. Right there in the back, we have a gallon of apple cider from Walmart. And then we have, actually y'all, if you love apple cider, this apple cider right here, this right here, the Mayer Brothers, is delicious, y'all. This is some really, really good apple cider. We actually fell in love with it. So we got a gallon of milk. We actually got a gallon and a half because we're going to be using a lot of milk for our recipes. We're going to need milk for the macaroni and cheese, milk for the pudding. You know, my daughter's going to need some milk for some things that she's making. So we definitely needed a lot of milk. We got a gallon of sweet tea over here. This came from Publix, of course. We love Publix sweet tea. Yep, Publix. We had to get some juice for the house. We have 2 Ocean Sprays here. We have the Ocean Spray Cranberry Grape, and we have the Ocean Spray Cranberry Mango. We have a large bottle of orange juice. Then we also had to get 2 boxes of the stovetop stuffing. As I stated, I'm not going to make these 2 boxes because I am making homemade dressing, but I'm going to make one of these boxes because not everyone in the family like the homemade dressing. Then, which is the girls, they don't like homemade dressing. I believe the only one who eat the homemade dressing is Lily, my oldest daughter. But anyway, I had to get 2 loaves of bread. We also picked up 1 box of storage bags. We have a package of cookie dough. Noonie, my youngest daughter, said that she wanted to make some cookies. I had to get 2 packages of imperial margarine. We also picked up some dark brown sugar. We need that for the pies and for the candy yams. Gotta have that brown sugar, y'all. And then we picked up 1 package of white sugar. So I think I showed you guys everything. Oh no, the Karo syrup. Oh, here's some things over here, y'all. So we picked up another jar of the Heinz 57 sauce. This sauce is so good on steaks, burgers, all that. I love Heinz 57. Gotta have that. Then we picked up a small, this is a mini cherry Pepsi, y'all. I need this for my brown sugar glaze when we make the glaze for the ham. So this is just the mini cans of Pepsi. We usually just get the bottle, but they didn't have it. They was all sold out. They just had regular Pepsi. So we just got the mini cans of Pepsi. We'll drink the other bottles. Whatever we don't use, we'll drink the other bottles. Then we got 1 bottle of the Martinelli Sparkling Cider, which is absolutely delicious. And then this is something new to me because I have never seen Martinelli Sparkling Pear Cider. I'm sure I'm going to love that. That is mine. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm going to hide that one because that's going to be mine because I already know I'm going to love that. I absolutely love pear everything. So that's mine. So I'll be putting that in my mini refrigerator because that is going to be for me. But we picked up 2 butter rich syrups. This was buy one get one free. Quite a few things was buy one get one free from Publix, but yeah, this was definitely buy one get one free. So the Ocean Sprays was also buy one get one free. Let me see what else was buy one get one free. The Entenmann's pound cakes, they were buy one get one free at Publix. The Campbell soup that I got, they were buy one get one free. So sorry that I didn't tell y'all that in the beginning, but yes, quite a few things was buy one get one free, which is why we love going to Publix as well when we go grocery shopping. I don't mind grocery hopping, going to different stores if it means we're going to get discounts. I'm all about budget and discounts because inflation is real. You know, food is very, very expensive nowadays. So you got to do what you got to do to make sure that you're not overspending on your food. We have 6 boxes of the Jiffy cornbread. This is what is going to be used for my homemade dressing. I usually just use Jiffy. You can also use cornmeal, whatever suits you and your family. That's what you can use. As I always state, there's no right or wrong way to make this. However you like, that's how you make it. There's a lot of people that don't like Jiffy. To each its own. We do. So we're using Jiffy on Thanksgiving Day. And then we have a box of the Reynolds Kitchen oven bags. So we definitely need this oven bag because I need this to brine my turkey. We also have Karo syrup. I need the Karo syrup for the candy yams. All right. And then next, y'all, let's go over here. So these are the turkeys that we picked up today and the ham. And we also have a package of the eggs. So y'all, let me show you how much this turkey costs. So this is, they both are young turkeys. Look at this. Y'all, this huge turkey. Let me show you. $12.47. Y'all, I think that's an excellent price. A very excellent price for this turkey. And look at how big it is. And then it look like this says 24 to 28 pounds. So it's between 24 and, oh, actually, there it is right there. 25. Come on now, y'all. $12. You cannot beat that. Look at that. That is a monster. It is a monster, which is fine. So I'm making this on Thanksgiving Day because I'm going to save some turkey for home, and I'm bringing turkey to Shania house as well. So this is nice and big, so I can leave a nice amount at home and a nice amount to take over there. And you know, I like having extra turkey because I like making many different turkey meals after Thanksgiving. So if we're not eating the roasted turkey one day, we may have like a creamed turkey soup or turkey salad, or I'll figure something else out. I just love turkey, you know, and I'll find some recipes, different things to make with all of our leftover turkey, as I do every year. Now, this right here is a smaller turkey, as you can see. This is like a little baby, you know, so this one, look at how much this turkey was, y'all. Look at that. Do you see that? $5.70 for this turkey. This turkey is 11 pounds. Y'all, come on. $5.70. I was so happy to see those prices. Absolutely great deals on the turkey. Now the ham, not so much of a deal, but not too bad. $21.18. This is the brown sugar glazed spiral ham. So this is for Thanksgiving Day. So I'm going to leave this out because I need to prepare my brine, and I plan to start brining my turkey. I always brine my turkey for days before Thanksgiving, which is usually like that Monday before Thanksgiving. That Monday or Tuesday, I usually start brining my turkey. So again, I'll show you when I do my video, I'll show you how I'm going to brine the turkey. And yeah, so this one's going to go in the freezer. We'll save this for another time. I may actually make this on Christmas. I'm not sure, but this is going to be saved for later. And this will just go in the refrigerator. Hey guys, that will conclude our grocery haul for today. I hope you all enjoyed. And most of all, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. I hope you all take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Till next time, bye.